Hi children, welcome back. In the last class, we learned conversion of improper fraction to mixed fractions and mixed fraction to improper fractions. Okay, today let us learn comparison and ordering of like fractions and unit fractions. Do you remember what is like fractions? Do you remember? Yes, very good. The fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Okay. What is unit fractions? Very good. Unit fraction. The fractions with 1 as the numerator are called unit fractions. Okay. Now, let us see how to compare two like fractions. Okay, let us start. Comparison of like fractions. Okay, one example, 5 by 6 and 3 by 6. These two fractions are like fractions because their denominators are same. Okay, in the case of like fractions, we compare their numerators. Here the numerators are 5 and 3. Okay, 5 and 3 are the numerators. Okay, which number is greater? Which number is greater? Okay, 5 greater than 3. Okay, 5 greater than 3. So, in this fraction, 5 by 6 greater than 3 by 6. Okay, let us see another example. 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. These are like fractions because their denominators are same. Okay, so we compare their numerators. Here the numerators are 2 and 4. Okay, which is bigger here? Which number is bigger here? Yes, 4. 4 bigger. Okay, so 2 less than 4. So we can write these fractions as 2 by 8 less than 4 by 8. Okay, clear? Next topic is ascending and descending order of like fractions. What is ascending order? Do you know? Yes, very good. Ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. What is descending order? Yes, descending order means arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Okay, let us see one example. 2 by 8, 5 by 8, 3 by 8 and 6 by 8. Okay, these are like fractions because they have the same denominators. Okay, so in the case of like fractions, we consider the numerators. Okay, here the numerators are 2, 5, 3 and 6. Which fraction has the smallest numerator is the smallest fraction. Okay, so please check which fraction has the smallest numerator. Yes, 2 by 8 has the smallest numerator. So, we write 2 by 8 first. 2 by 8 less than next number 3 by 8. 3 by 8 less than next number 5 by 8. 5 by 8 less than 6 by 8. Okay. Okay, this is the ascending order. 2 by 8 less than 3 by 8 less than 5 by 8 less than 6 by 8. Okay. Next is descending order. Descending order. In the descending order, we write largest fraction first. Okay, so we check the numerators which has the largest numerator is the largest fraction. So please check which has the largest numerator. Yes, 6 by 8. The fraction 6 by 8 has the largest numerator. So we write 6 by 8 first. Okay, 6 by 8. 6 by 8 greater than next number 5 by 8. 5 by 8 greater than next number 3 by 8. Greater than next number 2 by 8. Okay, this is the descending order. Clear? Next topic is comparison of unit fractions. Example 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. These two fractions are unit fractions because their numerators are 1. Okay, in the case of unit fractions, we consider their denominators. Here the denominators are 4 and 8. Okay, here the fraction with the greatest denominator is the smallest fraction. Okay, the fraction with the greatest denominator is the smallest fraction. Here 1 by 8 have the greatest denominator. So this number, the 1 by 8, the fraction 1 by 8 is the smallest fraction. So we write as 1 by 4 greater than 1 by 8. Okay, let us see another example. 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, these are unit fraction with the numerator 1. Okay, then consider their denominators. Here the denominators are 5 and 2. Okay, which fraction having the greatest denominator is the smallest fraction? Okay, here 1 by 5 have the greatest denominator. So the 1 by 5 is considered as the smallest fraction. Okay, so we write as 1 by 5 less than 1 by 2. Okay, clear? Next topic is ascending and descending order of unit fractions. Okay, let us see one example. 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Okay, in the unit fractions, the numerators are 1. So, here we consider the denominators. Okay, here the denominators are 7, 9, 2 and 5. Which fraction has the largest denominator is the smallest fraction. Okay, so please check which fraction has the largest denominator. Here 1 by 9, the fraction 1 by 9 has the largest denominator. So this is the smallest fraction. So 1 by 9 write first. Okay, 1 by 9 less than next number 1 by 7. 1 by 7 less than next number 1 by 5. Next number less than 1 by 2. So the ascending order is 1 by 9 less than 1 by 7 less than 1 by 5 less than 1 by 2. Okay, next descending order. Descending order. In the descending order, we check the denominators. Which fraction have the smallest denominator is the largest fraction. Okay, so please check which fraction has the smallest denominator. Yes, here the fraction 1 by 2 has the smallest denominator. So 1 by 2 write first. Okay, 1 by 2 greater than next number 1 by 5 greater than next number 1 by 7 greater than next number 1 by 9. Okay, this is the descending order. 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 5 greater than 1 by 7 and greater than 1 by 9. Okay, Clear? Okay, let's wind up our class. See you in the next class. Thank you.